Hi everyone, my name is Thomas. Thank you for joining me today on my 1972 Chevrolet Nova. This is a fully restored vehicle that has been completed about 5 years ago from what I was told. The paint job on this car is immaculate. This is a pearl white. I don't know if you can see the little silver in it, in the paint. It's a custom paint. It's got a little silver in the pearl. And the body on this car is honestly a showpiece. Look at the stance on the car. It's simply gorgeous. Everything has been done professionally. The previous owner built this car, spent about $50,000 on the vehicle, and it came out of Florida. So it's a non-rust car. And I inspected the vehicle with magnets all over. I'll just do a quick walk around here, and I'll talk to you a little bit more about the options of my Nova. Not a scratch on the car anywhere. All the chrome has been redone on the car, the front, the back. All the bezels are near perfect condition, along with this really cool aluminum grille here. I don't know if you can see the shine in that, in the pearl. Looks amazing. All the emblems are excellent. It's got the center line, polished wheels, front disc brakes, Kumho tires, 225 15/17s in the front. Really nice stance on the car. Wipers, excellent, they do function. All the stainless around the windows here. The back front is in excellent condition, along with the dual mirrors, front, side, both sides. Vent windows do operate excellent. All the windows do. Emblems, like I said, door handles, all perfect chrome on the car. Here's the rear. We'll check out the interior of my Nova. It's got blue interior. Bucket seats, very comfortable. Excellent door panels. Look at the lips on the door. All the weather stripping has been replaced. This is an original door panel. Bucket seats are really nice in the car. Door jambs are excellent. New door sill plates. The jambs are done really nice on the car. Factory original dash pad. Like I said, the weather stripping is in great condition. Dome light works. I do have the cover for that somewhere. Look how nice the cluster is. It's showing 70,103 miles. It's got a Budnick steering wheel on it. All the lights function, windshield washer, windshield wipers function, fuel gauge, upgraded with the B&M shifter. We've got a Kenwood stereo with the cassette deck from the late 70s, early 80s. Aftermarket Monster Sport Tach with the RPM on there. Water, oil, volts, all the gauges function. Here's your air conditioning, controls, heat, which defrost, which everything works. And yes, this is an air-conditioned car and works excellent. So we'll go over the passenger side now. Again, beautiful door panels, nice lips on it, excellent weather stripping, door sill plates, excellent door jambs. Nice bucket seats, like I said. Rear bucket seats. 6x9s in the package tray. Nice headliner as I shown earlier. And here's the view just from the passenger side. Really, really nice, clean interior on the Nova. Listen to how my door closes on this thing. Excellent. How it should. So here we'll pop the hood open. Look at that beautiful pearl. Look how clean this is. This is a newer crate motor. You see how clean the engine compartment is and proper. It's been upgraded with an aluminum intake. It has power steering and power brakes. Look how nice that looks. 4-barrel carb, which I'll tell you which one in a second here. Nice Canon air filter. New alternator. There's your air conditioning unit, and your entire unit with the coolant bottle there. Upgraded Mallory ignition. Wipers, like I said earlier, do work. Everything works. Power steering, power brakes, cold air conditioning. Look at under the hood, how beautiful that is. The engine is a ZZ4 350. This car, with the restoration that was completed, only has under 1,200 miles. It's got a rebuilt turbo 350 transmission, which is an automatic. It's got a mild shift kit in the car, and it has the B&M shifter in which you've seen. The headers on the car are by Sanderson. The carb is an Avenger carb, and like I said earlier, it has the aluminum radiator. The exhaust on the car is all brand new. All the glass in the car, around the car, has been installed new condition. The front and rear suspension has been rebuilt. All the bushings, tie rods, all redone. Everything on my car is either new or rebuilt, with, like I said, with less than 1,200 miles. You will be impressed to see this car in person. I upgraded the headlights to the HIDs, which gives it a really nice look. Underneath my car is awesome, clean, solid, like I said, from Florida, and you can see that in all my pictures. And in a second here, I will show you the trunk. Here's my trunk. Here's the battery here. Okay, you got the cutoff here, off, on. Okay. I was charging the battery, so I have this off. We added the precision power amp. Okay, it's all been wired correctly. The carpet has been glued to the trunk, but these are excellent quarters on both sides. You're not gonna find, really, to be honest with you, any rust anywhere on my car. I mean, this thing is superb condition. You got some extra parts in the trunk. You got the CD changer here. It's a 10-disc CD changer, your spare tire, and your jack there. But look at the crevices, how clean and smooth everything is here. Solid quarters, original quarters to the car. Under the trunk lid is in excellent condition as well. And in a second here, I'll fire up the car so you can hear it. So I just want to show you the car's been tuned perfectly. You pump the gas twice and give it a start. Horn works. There's your wipers. All your headlights are working. All the gauges function. And it does blow cold air conditioning. Okay? Kenwood stereo works. You got kick panel speakers, 5-inch in your kick panels, And then you got two 6x9s that are on the packet tray in the back that I shown you earlier, right there. Okay. Check out how it sounds from the engine compartment. Not a hiccup. This car's been on the HotRod Power Tour, so it's a proven car, very reliable. You can drive this thing across the country or in every day if you're on the West Coast or down south. Underneath is superb, new gas tank, fuel lines, brake lines. That sounds really, really nice. And in a second here, we'll go for a little drive. We're going to go for a little test drive. First person, honestly, to come see my Nova is going to buy it. That's how nice this car is. Steering is excellent. It hugs the road really nice. Like I said, this is a zero complaint car. It's ready for the next owner, ready for a car show. Not a squeak going down the road, guys. I got this thing dialed in. Look how it handles. Woo. I've gone through a lot of Novas. I've owned about 40 different year Novas. And I'm telling you right now, you come see this car, you will not be disappointed. Like I said, turn signals, headlights, everything functions. Horn, air conditioning, heat, defrost, all the gauges. No overheating issues with the aluminum radiator. Handles like a dream. So listen, if you're looking for a really nice Nova, not a rat, this is it. Okay, I've been around these cars for 25 plus years, and when I tell you it's a great car, no disappointments, that's exactly what it is. You guys want to come to Addison, Illinois and check it out in person, I highly recommend it. Okay, fly into Chicago O'Hare Airport. I'll pick you up. We'll go to the shop. We'll go for a test drive only on a beautiful sunny day like now. If it's raining, I'm not taking the car out. It's not going to happen. I don't care if you flew here. Unless you write me a check and you want to take it out in the rain, that's fine. But I'm not, under my ownership, I am not taking this car out in the rain. I'm sure you guys can respect that. This car will drive from Illinois to California, back to Florida, up to New York, and back to Illinois anytime because everything functions on my car and it's very reliable. Okay, so here's a recap on the 72 Chevrolet Nova. It's got a pearl white paint job within 5 years. Base coat, clear coat. Looks about 5 coats of each side. Done by the previous owner. Everything works on my car. It's a ZZ4 350 engine. Upgraded with power steering, power brakes, cold air conditioning, and a bunch of other things that you can read in my description. It's got awesome wheels. Nice stance on the car. Very clean interior. And this car is ready to go. It's been on the HotRod Power Tour, and it can go on the HotRod Power Tour and be reliable across the country anytime. My name is Thomas. I can be reached at area code 847-848-1850. I do have some other vehicles available in my collection. You can check out the website at tristateautoil.com. Now, if you're looking for shipping this car anywhere in the world, call me. I've have experience shipping cars internationally and obviously domestically very, very, very easily. So you can give me a call. You have my number. You can text me. And if you need financing, rates start about 4 3/4. It all depends on your credit. If you want to check out today's rates, go to lightstream.com. That again is lightstream.com. Every day the rates are changing, but they're super low right now. Take advantage. No money down, and you'll be able to finance my Nova. So again, my name's Tom. Call me, text me, email me. My number's 847-848-1850. And if you want one of the finest Novas for a really good price, you're going to call me. Thank you for looking. Bye.